This is how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Binance with zero cost. That is without paying any gas fee. This is my Bybit app. As soon as you launch your Bybit app, it will take you to home. This is your home. For you to locate the asset and cryptos that you have on Bybit, you come to asset, you click asset. These are the list of assets and cryptos I currently hold on Bybit. I'll be transferring USDT from my Bybit account to my Binance account. You tap withdraw. You select the cryptos you are transferring. With this, I will select USDT. The platform where you are effecting the transfer is what matters, because that is where you are mostly going to be charged. So our objective is to make sure that we look for network that is as cheap as possible, if possible at a zero cost. This is internal transfer, that is between Bybit to Bybit. If you want to learn how to do that, the link of the video will come out here. You can watch this video later. But what we are doing is on-chain transfer, that is USDT transfer from Bybit to Binance. So we're supposed to go and pick Binance address. We put it here. That is where the money is going. But before you pick Binance address, let's check the best network that will not cost us too much money. So you click network. As at the time of this video, these are the current network listed on Bybit. So we are going to look for the cheapest of this network. So these are the network. Look at it. Make sure that the chain type you make deposit to is the one you make withdrawal from. You cannot pick a different network while you are transferring to another network. So but our objective is to look for the lower cost here. Ethereum will be very costly. Look at the fees, $8, and I'm transferring $6 plus. So this is no go area. The fee for Tron network is $1.06. Can't use that one. These are Bitron, $1. This is so $1. I can't use that. This is BSC. This will have been the best to use, but I don't think I will use it because it's still going to cost me $1. This OP mainnet, this is another $1, another $1. This is Mantle network. We've gotten Mantle at zero cost. This is another one, Aptos, at zero cost. So we will leave this place to go to Binance to go and look if we are going to see Mantle and Aptos. So we'll go and look for Mantle and Aptos. As soon as you launch your Binance app, it will take you to home. So we are on home now. Since you want to deposit USDT from Bybit to Binance, you come to this place. You click add funds. Don't forget we are here to find out if there's Mantle and Aptos, which is cheaper for us. What we want to do is to transfer crypto from another exchange. You tap deposit crypto. You have to select which crypto do you want to deposit to. You can search here. You see so many cryptos currently listed. As at the time of this video, you see all of them here. But the crypto that we are interested in is stablecoin USDT. We tap USDT. That is what we want to transfer to. As at the time of this video, these are the current network listed on Binance that we can transfer to from another exchange. Most of the network listed on Bybit, they are going to charge, but the one that we've gotten that will not charge us are Aptos and Mantle. So let's look for Aptos. This is Aptos. Is there any Mantle? Mantle. As at the time of this video, there's no Mantle network listed on Binance, but there's Aptos listed on Binance. And look at it, just one confirmation, the money will go through. We get the money on Binance from Bybit. So we are going to select Aptos. We select Aptos because they will not charge us on Bybit to transfer USDT to Binance. We tap Aptos. So we are going to use Aptos network. So all you need to do is to capture this with your phone, then you'll be able to capture the address. This is Aptos network address for USDT. You copy this, you can see wallet address copied. You now take this copied wallet address for USDT of Aptos network, you take it back to Bybit. So we go back to Bybit. Don't forget to sign up to Bybit. Ask JOFA is my sign up bonus code. You'll be able to get $50 sign up bonus, and you'll be able to get up to $30,000 in deposit welcome rewards. So don't forget we're using Aptos. Aptos network is down here. You tap it, Aptos. Because we've copied USDT wallet address on Binance for Aptos network, you paste the wallet address here. You tap this place and you paste it here. Because that's where the money is going to, you paste it. You make sure you double check very well to be sure that you've copied the right wallet address. We are on Bybit. Don't forget we are transferring USDT from Bybit to Binance, and we are using Aptos network. We've pasted Binance USDT wallet address using Aptos network. We scroll down. We are scrolling down to input the amount we are sending. The balance I have is over $6, and you can see, look at inside here, you can send any amount. I'm going to send $5. You can cross check again to be sure that everything is okay. If and when you are sure everything is okay, you tap withdraw. So you are withdrawing your USDT from Bybit to Binance. So you look at the cryptos you are sending, look at it. On chain withdrawal, we are sending USDT and we are using Aptos network. And this is the amount and this is the wallet address that we are using. If you are sure everything is okay, you click confirm. And to verify this by picking a code, I'm going to do security verification. For you to do security verification, you will tap get code. So I've sent the code, so I have to go and pick the code from my email, paste the code. So the next thing you need to do is to go to your authenticator. I go and pick this code on my Google Authenticator and come back. I will paste it and I will confirm. I will paste it. You will paste it and you click confirm. You can see withdraw application submitted. All you just need to do is to click OK. You click OK and you now go to your Binance to see if the money has gotten to Binance or otherwise. This is my Binance and I currently have just over $1. I will continue to refresh to see if this money is there. The $5 has been added to my Binance exchange account. For you to see the actual crypto, you come to asset, you click asset. You can see this is the crypto that was added. You can now transfer your USDT stablecoin from your Bybit account to your Binance exchange. Don't forget to use my link which is below the description of this video to access each sign-up bonuses from these two platforms. You need to watch the next video. This is about 11 apps that offer you series of sign-up bonuses that are worth over $277. Another thing that is free that you need to do right now is this. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video. Don't forget to drop your comment and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.